Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Comprehensive Guide to Effective Python, 2nd edition with code examples. Introduction. Effective Python, 2nd edition by Brett Slatkin is a highly regarded book that provides practical advice on writing pythonic, efficient, and maintainable code. In this tutorial, we'll explore key concepts from the book and provide code examples to illustrate each principle. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Python developer, mastering these techniques will help you write better Python code. Introduction to Pythonic Thinking. Functions. Lists and dictionaries. Classes and objects. Concurrency. Error handling. Conclusion. Mastering the techniques outlined in Effective Python, 2nd edition will elevate your Python programming skills. By writing Pythonic code, you'll not only improve readability and maintainability but also leverage the full power and elegance of the Python language. Experiment with the examples provided and explore further to deepen your understanding of these concepts. Happy coding! ChatGPT.